Hey guys, I'm Adriana. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my monthly unboxings, which are Ipsy and Boxycharm. First, I'm going to be starting off with Ipsy. If you don't know what Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription. It is $10 and you receive 5 makeup samples and a cute little makeup bag. This is the one for the month of April 2018. It looks like this. It's really cute. I love the detail of the butterflies, and right here that it's like a really nice shimmer pink, and on the back it's kind of like a light purple. I really feel like this is one of the best back designs that we have received so far. So let's dive right in and let's see what we find. First we have our card. It looks like this, and this one's theme is social butterfly. Looks like this, and it says fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. First thing I see right here is this banana setting powder by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It looks like this. It's actually a really good sample, and I've never had a banana setting powder like this. It has the safety seal right here, which is a good thing. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm afraid it's just going to splatter all over the place. But I'm going to give it a try and let y'all know how this works. Next is going to be the H2O Plus Beauty. This is the Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It looks like this. And this says clinically proven to hydrate immediately and soften skin. So this is just a hydrating treatment for your skin. I've never heard of this brand and I've never really tried any of the products, but there's a first step for everything, so let's see how this one works. Next is going to be the Meso Mask. This is a smoothing radiance mask by Laboratories Filorga, Paris. I'm pretty sure I butchered that name up, but that's how it looks like. So this is pretty much just a mask. It's supposed to smooth your skin. So let's see how that one works as well. Next, there's a box. And this is the Slanted Tweezers by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Looks like this. They're actually really pretty. They're kind of like a gold tone. Let's open them up to see them closely. They look like this. They have the name of the company, which is the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and they are just a really pretty gold color. They're really nice, and they're actually gonna come in really handy for me because the tweezers I had are just a mess. So they just came at the very right time. And last but not least, I got the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream. It looks like this. I actually have several of these NYX lip creams. This one's in the shade Sao Paulo. I think I butchered up that name as well, but I tried. And this is like a really pretty mauvey color. I'm going to give this one a try. I'm probably going to like it because I really don't have a shade like this. So it's going to be something you need to try. That was all for my month of April. They were actually not bad products. There's some new brands that I'm going to try. So let's see how that works out. And the next box is going to be Boxycharm. Boxycharm honestly has been stepping up the game lately. I feel like every month they bring out better and better stuff to these boxes, which is really amazing. I really don't know how they do it, but with $21 a month, they give us palettes, they give us a lot of really good brands. So it's amazing. Honestly, this is the best subscription you can have for makeup or just to grow your collection out. Okay, so first off, I see the card we always get. It looks like this, and on the back there is a Dr. Brandt and a Tarte coupon, so maybe we can use those. They can come in handy. This month's theme is going to be eye candy, and it looks like this. And these are just some of the influencers that have curated the box, I'm guessing. And if you open it up, it's going to tell you all the products you got and how much they are. So first off, I see the Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter. It looks like this. I got it in the shade Sparkler. I really don't use liquid highlighters, but I'm going to give this one a try because it's Tarte and I really love Tarte. So it looks like this. And let me just do a quick swatch just to see how. Okay, just like that. Ooh. And this is a really pretty color. This is actually perfect for my skin tone. It looks like a pretty pink rose gold color. So I'm really gonna enjoy that highlighter. So I definitely will try this. Okay. Next, I see the Adidas New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Looks like this. And it is in the shade. It actually doesn't have a shade. That is kind of weird. It looks like this. It's a really pretty nude color, and I'm actually wearing this liquid lipstick right now on my lips. As you can see, it's a really pretty nude. I really like this color. I really like this liquid lipstick because it doesn't feel sticky, but it doesn't also dry as a matte. So this is the tinted brow gel with microfibers, and I have it in the shade Brown Hair 02. Looks like this. And if you open it up, this is a little tiny wand that comes with it, and this is for your eyebrows. I actually am wearing it today as well, and I actually really like it. It's not too dark. It's actually the perfect match for my eyebrows. Next is going to be the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask by Dr. Brandt. It looks like this. Dr. Brandt is really an expensive brand, so for you to get this in a $21 subscription box is amazing, to be honest, because these are just really expensive and you always need more and more skincare. At least I know I do. So this is just a perfect thing to get in your subscription box. And last but not least, what everybody had been waiting for the whole month, we were all going to receive one of the 5 palettes from ColourPop, and the one I got is the You Had Me at Hello ColourPop palette. Looks like this. And this is actually one of the palettes I was hoping to get because I don't own any of the ColourPop palettes, but this is the one that caught my attention the most. So this is the packaging from the inside. This is the back, and the inside looks like this. They're really some really nice colors. There's some mattes, you have some shimmers. It's just a mixture of both, which makes it a really good palette. I used this palette today on my eyes, and I honestly was amazed by the quality of these shadows. The shadows are just so easy to blend out. They're so pigmented, especially the shimmers. Oh my god, I was in love with this palette. Honestly, it's worth it. Really worth it. So I'm going to tell you the prices for this. So the palette retails for $18, and I believe this is the only palette from ColourPop that comes with a mirror, so that's even better. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner retails for $47. The Adidas Liquid Lipstick retails for $24. The Tarteist Pro Glow Highlighter retails for $29. That's actually kind of expensive for this little tiny highlighter. And last but not least, the Brow Gel Tinted Brow Gel retails for $22. I forgot to tell you guys what Boxycharm is. So Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription box, and you can get makeup, skincare, any tools, hair care. You can get any of that. It's going to be 4 to 5 deluxe or full size products, which is really amazing. Usually you get full size products. It's really rare where Boxycharm puts a deluxe item. But so overall, for my Ipsy and my Boxycharm, I really like both. I love the little bag that we got in Ipsy this month, and I'm really going to use that one. And Boxycharm was just amazing. It's just getting better and better every month, which I really love. If you guys want to join either Ipsy or Boxycharm, I will be leaving the information down in the description box just so you guys can join if you want to. I do not make any money out of this. This is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys really like these kind of videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like these. And if you guys have any other comments or any other suggestions for videos, don't hesitate to put them in the comments down below. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!